My name is Tim Lawrence. I'm Director of Digital Supply Chain at the Digital Catapult. Sustainability is a really important focus for UK manufacturing. In the manufacturing sector overall is a big emitter of CO2. Digital Catapult has a really important role to play in the decarbonisation of the UK through deep tech solutions. We're driving that through 4 key missions that we have. The first of those is really focusing on enabling deep tech startups to scale. The second of those is improving supply chain resilience. The third is all about industrial decarbonisation, which has a direct impact on CO2. And finally, our last mission is all about enabling an open and interoperable infrastructure that supports the development of deep tech solutions. We not only offer programs like the Digital Supply Chain Hub and the Made Smarter Sustainability Accelerator, we also offer facilities, workshops, access to investors that can support those organisations in developing their tech solutions on their growth journey for investment and other aspects.